Candle making is a fun and creative hobby that has the potential to turn into a profitable and growing business. It's one of the easiest and low entry barrier businesses to start. The demand for candles is always there because of their versatility in home decor, aromatherapy, and festive occasions. With the increasing demand for candles as a home decor and gift item, starting a candle making business can be a lucrative idea. The candle making industry is highly competitive, with a wide range of manufacturers and suppliers offering diverse products. However, like any other business, it requires careful planning and execution to succeed. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide to the candle making business, including the types of candles, raw materials, equipment, and marketing strategies. Candles come in a variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and fragrances. The most popular types of candles include pillar candles. These are candles that stand alone and do not require a container. They are often used as decorative candles. Taper candles. These are long, thin candles that are often used for dining tables and religious ceremonies. Container candles. These are candles that are poured into a container, such as a glass jar or tin. They are often used as scented candles and are available in a variety of fragrances. Votive candles. These are small candles that are usually placed in a votive holder or tea light holder, and they are often used for religious and spiritual purposes. Floating candles. These are candles that float on water and are often used for decorative purposes. Silicone mold candles. These are candles that are sculpted into different shapes and mostly used for decor purposes. The raw materials used in candle making include wax, wicks, fragrance oils, dyes, and containers. The most common types of wax used in candle making are paraffin wax, soy wax, and beeswax. Paraffin wax is the most widely used wax in the candle making industry due to its affordability and ease of use. Soy wax is a natural alternative to paraffin wax and is preferred by environmentally conscious consumers. Beeswax is a premium wax that is known for its natural fragrance and durability. Wicks are the components that hold the flame in a candle. They are made of cotton or hemp and are available in different sizes and thickness. Fragrance oils and dyes are used to enhance the aesthetic and sensory appeal of candles. Fragrance oils are available in a wide range of scents such as lavender, vanilla, and rose. Dyes are available in different colors and can be mixed to create custom colors. The equipment needed for candle making includes a melting pot, thermometer, pouring pot, wick holder, and mold. The melting pot is obviously used to melt the wax and fragrance oils. The thermometer is used to monitor the temperature of the wax. The pouring pot is used to pour the wax into the mold or container. And the wick holder is used to keep the wick centered in the mold or the container. And the mold basically is used to shape the candle. I will say you can get away with just soy wax, wicks, and containers. You can utilize things you already have in the house to get started, but the equipment still is quite affordable regardless. All you need is to melt your soy with fragrance and pour it into a container with a wick sticker. I did find some beginner candle making kits on Amazon and I'll link them below for anyone that's interested. Having mold to shape your candle designs is what essentially sets you apart from competitors. Candle making can also be a sustainable business if eco-friendly and natural ingredients are used. Consumers are becoming more conscious of the impact their choices have on the environment, and therefore, using natural ingredients like soy wax, beeswax, and essential oils can attract such customers. The profitability of a candle making business depends on various factors such as the cost of raw materials, equipment, and marketing expenses. The price of candles also varies depending on the type, size, and fragrance. However, with careful planning, a candle making business can be profitable. It can be started with a relatively low investment and from home, so overhead costs are significantly low. Marketing is a critical component of any business, and candle making is no exception. Social media and e-commerce platforms have made it easier for small businesses to reach a wider audience. Entrepreneurs can use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Etsy to showcase their products and reach customers across the country. You can also sell the products at local markets and fairs. Offering custom orders, such as personalized candles for weddings and events, can help increase sales and attract new customers. Another way of marketing your business is by collaborating with other businesses, such as wedding planners and event coordinators, which can help increase exposure and attract new customers. Creative and attractive packaging is also a great way of making your candles more appealing to customers and increase sales. Candle making can be a fun and rewarding hobby, and for those interested in starting a business, it can be a lucrative venture. With the right skills, equipment, and marketing strategies, a candle making business can be successful and profitable. By understanding the types of candles, raw materials, equipment, marketing strategies, and potential profitability, entrepreneurs can take the first step towards starting a successful candle making business. Anyway, that's it from me, and I hope you enjoyed this video and gained some knowledge. Until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, whatever, and I'll see you next time.